Haynes first was founded by my father in 1968. Our culture is founded on trust, respect, and integrity. We were always trying to be on the leading edge of technology. If we're going to be great stewards and be on the side of our clients, Connected Services is being able to be on their side and to help them cure any and remedy any of the deficiencies that they may have prior to them ever even knowing about it.
A connected building is the ability to take this deep dive through their automation system to see every piece of mechanical equipment and how it's functioning. It allows us to see the efficiency of VAV boxes, fan coil units, air handling units, much more than we ever could in the past.
We've taken the connected services and we've used that to give them better insight, visibility into their investments, identify risk, mitigate that risk, and then really set a vision and a path forward for how does that align with their business strategy and their goals. Where should we make investments in the future? Where should we pay more attention to enhancing the performance of certain equipment?
We had a customer who did a rooftop unit replacement. 3 of them were actually cooling the air down. One of them, the heater is burning away, but can't overcome all the air from the other 3. So in the space, instead of doing morning warm-up, it was actually doing morning cool down. Without the Connect tool, it would have been months before we found that.
You're able to literally go into the building and see what the building's been doing all the way down to the sensor level or the terminal level. Not just the main equipment. You can see where all the issues are in the building are. We can look at every piece of equipment, real time or historical, and let you know exactly what's going on.
Key2Act hosts all the data, which is a huge hurdle to not have to overcome. What that means is all the Connect partners don't have to be IT experts. We can get a job connected, all the points trended, and get basic rules written in about a day.
So if you set up a trend on it, you say, I want this to pull every 5 minutes, it's going to go out and grab that data every 5 minutes and push it up to a cloud server.
Once you have the reports, it is so much easier to digest the information. So it makes it really easy for the customers to look at it and be like, okay, great. And again, the deliverable, it's simple, it's easy, and customers love it.
We have been uncovering pull-through on just about every job. Failed sensors, bad set points, sequences of operation that need to be changed, scheduling that needs to be changed. There's always something there.
With the Connected Services offering, it allows us to see the problem before the technician even arrives at site. We know who to send and we know what the problem is before they even arrive on site.
We can get so much more out of our BAS techs because they, like I say, you can direct them now. Now you can say, these are problems. You know it's a problem, take care of it, instead of look at the front end and try and figure it out. One of our customers down in the Springs that we're using, we've got over 200 VAV boxes in one building. And to be able to look at every one of those throughout the year, I mean, basically you'd probably do 50 a quarter. Now, we can see them all, whenever we want. I mean, you can see it and it's being graded on a day-by-day basis. So yeah, you can be much more directed in your repairs.
What Haynes has done a very good job of is being ahead of the curve in this. And frankly, for building owners and managers and service providers, if you're not at least having the conversation about a connected service offering, you're falling behind.
All buildings are going to be connected eventually, just like all buildings have a building automation system. And right now, from what I've seen, Connect, you get the biggest bang for the buck. It's probably the simplest one to deploy and use, and it's just incredibly cost effective.
I think that's imperative, that you're always being willing to invest in state-of-the-art technology, because that's where our associates are today. They're very passionate about delivering to our clients.
We really care about the customer, and we will do whatever it takes to maintain the customer relationship.
Connected Services really enhances that relationship that we have with the customer, because we're there for the long haul with that client. And now we have better visibility to help them make better decisions.
You're more efficient, you have less tenant complaints, which is really good. And overall, if a customer's happy, then we're happy. That's our goal.
When we show what we are able to deliver, what we have, the tools and services that we have available to them to deliver that, it really does make a profound difference.